start with the door. So it's the clothing that I used to cover the under door, if it does make sense. And this is another basket hanging that I've used before. I've recently put a new paintings and a mirror finally. I don't know, I just like it so much. And this is the empty card that I don't have. That's the postcard I got from the Ipoh. I got several decorating stuff and also the mirror from the eco shop, which means it costs 2.10 ringgit for each. And jump to my cupboard. Basically there's no much changings here. I've just arranged the clothing the same exact way like I did before. And this is the place for I putting my recently used clothing. And that's the box contained of foods. I've been also hanging my bags there and also putting my bags, the currently used one, on the chairs. And the bag, I know it's exactly the same cover, but yeah. Anyway, this is my table. I think that's the most significantly changed so far. But wait, I want to show you this thing. I saw this pocket containing a lot of necessary stuff that I use before I sleep, like eye mask, eye cover, vitamin stuff. Okay, and here's my humidifiers. To be honest, it's broken right now. I'm currently thinking to repair it, but the smells of the accessories is really amazing. Maybe you should try. I got this new cover from Shopee. It's, to be honest, the last stock they shop on, so I cannot show you what's that. And I currently found this wood stuff. It goes so here, and all of this from the second-hand store, which is amazing. I got my old mirror here, and I've currently rearranged the papers and the pictures on the wall. This is another my favorite corner of my Quran. I put all my accessories here, calendars. I first make sure to have my water ready beside me. And here, I've just moved all of my necessary stuff here. And this is for my brush and lips product. And I have 3 of this basket, these containers. I put it exactly under the table, at this area. And this basically the same thing, but I put all the necessary ones in that box, so it's easy for me. I put all of my related electrical computer stuff here, like mouse, battery, keyboard, and everything's here. So everything's on those to this area. So I got 2 boxes here, the new laptop from my new company, and I don't know, forget. I've purchased 4 boxes that really helped me to get everything tidy. So first, let's jump to the second. So first, I think it contains of my papers decoration book. The second was books. The third one